Maryland Spotlight. It's all about Maryland living.
Welcome to Maryland Spotlight. I'm Kim Knight. Well, you wake up in the morning and you look in the mirror and you think, I'm not really digging what I'm seeing. Well, these days there are a lot of options to improve your face, and here to talk about that is Dr. Brent Birely, Artistry in Plastic Surgery, and also Cheryl Sugar, you are physician's assistant. Thanks for being here today.
Our pleasure, thank you.
Okay, so I don't like the look of my face. I want to change it. What are my options?
Well, you basically have four options of what you can do to improve the appearance of your face. You can have surgery, you can have injections, you can have laser treatments, or you can have just good skin care.
Now, Cheryl, I've heard something about a liquid facelift. Can you tell me what a liquid facelift is?
It's just where we're using injections to basically help open up and lift some of the signs of aging that have happened over the years.
Now, tell me about some of the different liquids that you, or the different fillers, I should say, that you use when you're doing one.
There's a lot of different types of fillers on the market, but the reality is that a lot of them are pretty much the same. We use a lot of we use some of them in the areas just for fine lines and wrinkles, some for the deeper creases, and some for a little bit deeper volumizing, where patients have lost a lot of volume in their face.
And I guess that comes with age as well.
Yeah, it all does.
Right. Well, let me ask you, how long do these last?
FDA approval on most of them said they last about a year. Some patients will get a little bit more time out of them. Some patients will get a little bit less time out of it. But you're looking at about a year for all of them.
Do you find that people tend to, wait after a year or so, and if they want to come back and do it, is that possible?
What most patients will do is they'll get it done and they'll come back for what we call a little bit of a touch-up, maybe 9 or 10 months later, which will actually give them a longer results.
Okay, well, let's talk now about lasers.
Oh, lots of different lasers out there on the market. What we're looking to do with lasers is basically take away some of the aging processes that happen via the sun or just by natural gravity. We've got very light lasers that will give you about a day's downtime to very aggressive lasers that will give you about 10 days of downtime. But ultimately what we're looking to is get rid of a lot of the sun damage and the aging process.
And they are relatively safe, yes?
Yes, they are very, very safe.
Now, doctor, if anybody wants more information on liquid facelift and different fillers, how can they get in touch with you?
Yeah, actually, probably best way is look us up on the internet at aipsmd.com. It stands for Artistry in Plastic Surgery.
And you do have 2 locations, one in Towson and Bel Air.
Yes, absolutely.
Cheryl and Doctor, thanks for joining me today.
Our pleasure. Thank you.
And thanks for joining us today on Maryland Spotlight. I'm Kim Knight.